Hey, Sue Franz.
Hey, Garth.
Let's do this. Why don't you and I do a season of episodes where we talk about teaching?
Now, Garth, when we have these conversations, would it be okay if I had a beer while we talked?
I would assume that unless people are out there driving, that they are also having a beer with you or a beverage of choice if they don't drink alcohol. That'd be fine. For those who do, definitely encouraged.
I can see some people choosing a nice herbal tea.
We're going to get this thing out before the end of 2020 because we know that people need something fun and entertaining to listen to, and I hope that we can not only offer some good teacher talk, but maybe have some fun doing it at the same time.
Well, you and I are going to have fun. Now, whether anybody enjoys listening to us have fun, I can't help you with.
Well, that's the truth, Sue. You and I have had a lot of fun over the years talking about teaching. It's a passion of ours, and to tell you the truth, I don't like to think about teaching just in my own little bubble. I really love the teaching community. I think you do too. You value that. It's one of the things that I've learned from you. And so what do you say we go on this journey together?
I think that's a fantastic idea, Garth.
Join us for Season 1 of Psych Sessions, Garth and Sue Talk, textbooks, exams, student workload, integrative themes, and so much more. It is a bingeable listening experience, and it will premiere on Thanksgiving Day, Thursday, November 26th. So grab a drink and come join the conversation.